Already as usual, you can just feel.
Right about phone, you
can just feel.
Water come from the rock, you know?
Yeah.
Naturally.
No, go
See,
ahead.
Ross Marvin, Dunga, big up yourself.
No.
Now bad phone, you don't know the settings already. See, manners.
Sila.
Turn the page down. She said she don't know she's gonna make it.
Yeah, so we open at the back phones, you know? We're about to get a,
he'll finish right
get
there.
a massage.
He'll finish right there, not here, he'll go.
Ram things are crazy. Crazy. We got Mercedes on a little spiritual adventure.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Real quick, take your time.
Yeah.
Yeah, is it far?
No, catching
No,
this
just,
one.
just
Yeah.
And he'll finish right up there.
Yeah, I bet Auntie could do it.
You don't take our time.
first time.
You don't have to rush, you know. One, two,
by
three.
runaway slave named Jacob Sabbath.
Wow.
The water in it is 130 degrees hot. Natural from the rock. It burns in with the scotch. People all aches and pain.
Yeah.
Over circulation, any swelling and stuff like that. Water good for it. It's not a bad man that water run, you cannot cure.
Okay.
They're very good healing water.
Come up here already, but like the water hot, man.
Yeah, it can dilate.
Okay.
And that water 130 degrees coming from the rock. Naturally.
See coconut trees growing.
Working at trucking jobs, driving all over the US everywhere. We drove all the way to California.
It's in the cake, you don't laugh.
Guys, remember I keep on telling you guys, you don't really need to like have a bag of cash, yo. You can always travel somewhere. Always travel somewhere in this darn country, man. It's like really amazing. Always somewhere. Right? pretty much at the fountain, guys. Here you will see a lot of people like taking showers, you know, getting massages, because like the water is said to have like really healing powers. As the guy said, the only thing that the water don't care, a bad mind. So we're there, so cousin Tija.
Steven.
Don't know. So everyone's gonna get changed and stuff, and like usually I've been here probably like twice, and when I'm afraid of the steam back, the water hot. It's like 130 degrees, but she's gonna dilute the water for me and then give me a proper massage, you see me? So I'm gonna switch out this camera because the battery's about to die, and then I'll show you that. So we're about to do this in this really hot water. Like Jano. Look at Nina sitting on the sidelines. Tija and Matthew. Crazy. Water kind of so funny, so it feel like smell like eggs. But it feels so good. It feels really good. Yo, feel that water is hot, but not for like a long time. It's only for a short second. Whew. In here?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ready?
Good.
That's one clean up your lungs. Feel the difference?
Yeah. Kind of all that.
This is the pimento eye with
Pimento.
all aches and pain, poor blood circulation and swelling, cold in the joints, it gets rid of it very good.
Alright. Of course, this pimento oil, so it has a really nice pimento smell. Smells like some really good spices. I'm not gonna lie. It smells like something I put in a bread or cake. Smells really good.
Yeah, I like to see by myself. Because she had trouble, you know. See a problem she give. Not talk to you.
Relaxing, trust me, super relaxing. You guys ever reach from St. Thomas Bath Fountains?
Just ask for K.
Ask for K, hear that?
Number is 504 669.
Alright, 504
669.
Alright. The best part about the massage, guys, is just like, you hear the rivers in the background, the water, healing powers. And of course the massage. You never get a massage like this, boy. Yeah. They're like in Amazon. Matthew, you feel like a sacrifice. Oh my gosh. That's just me, guys. Like, in nature, if I was going to enjoy life, you see me? Like, I think this year is probably like the most I ever enjoy life. I'm alive. Ooh, I feel good. I know. Yo, yo, that shit feel good. I mean, I first somebody ever say last time I get massage. Guys, like seriously, it feels really good. Like kind of in a ticklish way and a massage way at the same time. It feels really good. So instead of taking money, go shop. Yeah, come them place, relax yourself.
How go on?
So Guys, I don't know how black people used to make it through slavery. Because one week me getting on my back, trust me, I run off my plantation a long time.
Yeah, mama, I didn't get my top money.
Matthew, set this up there for me now.
Why will I feel?
Relax now.
Never feel.
John.
Where's it again? Get so under the house.
What you want to be? Tell me.
Come to take it. I am full of a dish in my
What's in me?
I'm hungry, look. You live on the road, never. No. You're hungry. No, bless you.
Hey!
I'm feeling hungry.
Put it back on your belly.
Crazy. Like a real Iowa.
Come now. Come here now. Got it. Oh, got it. Forward.
Did you get one of those? Huh? No? No, that's all. Man, what going on over here, sir? What is this? Like a real VIP. Man's getting a massage.
You have something in that you wet?
Like you scrape your clean, man, because your skin look different. No, you did white before, but
Oh God, voila!
yes, no, drop it, man. Yes. Drop it like it hot.
Where's the oil gonna for your body?
How's it feel though?
It feels good.
What's the experience like?
It's therapeutic.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Crazy. How is it, Bonnie?
Nice. I'm feeling good.
Alright.
Yeah, ready for more.
Exactly. God, me never eat chicken again. Cause my son feel like hot water, remember? This is messed up, man. So right now we're going up to the spring, you know? Whew. Eh? How is it? Looks good. Dad. Where you got shampoo from?
Mom. Mom. Oh. Right over there behind the thing. I think that's it.
I love this shampoo. Pure Castile soap. Is it the one with the peppermint in it?
Sponsor him.
Oh my god. Live, guys. Trust me, guys.
Even the white one. Because the peppermint even this your face gets stiff?
Your face gets stiff?
I want to wash my hair down.
So when you're ready, you can take a day off or different thing.
When are the really busy times?
When are the really busy time? In January.
Okay.
Right down in July, June, July, the summer. and the cool time, like from December into January.